all-star band from Los Angeles, California. So good to be here. Thank you. Oh man, we got a hell of a show for you folks tonight, a hell of a show. We're gonna be playing all the hit songs we know and love and going down memory lane. All the deep cuts we don't know but we might love. Well, we sure do hope you like it. Wyatt, take it away. Don't listen to my music.